Are you tired of feeling like you're not getting enough done in your day? Do you struggle to stay focused and motivated, especially in the morning when you need it most? The good news is that with a simple 30-minute morning routine, you can boost your productivity, increase your focus, and set yourself up for success. The concept of a morning routine is nothing new, but recent studies have shown that incorporating a specific set of tasks into your morning can have a profound impact on your productivity and focus. In fact, a recent survey found that 75% of high achievers start their day with a morning routine, and 90% of them report feeling more focused and motivated as a result. So, what exactly should you include in your 30-minute morning routine? The key is to keep it simple and focused on activities that set you up for success. Here's an example routine that you can try. First, start with a 5-minute mindfulness exercise. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, focusing on your breath, and